So let's talk about custom conversion. Right now we're looking at our pixel. You can get to this menu from your left corner right here, going to choose pixel right here. And this is what you're going to see when you already have traffic for your website. This is different events type. Let's see, I have a page view content, and search. This is what I have on my website. I'm choosing an event time for a different page. If I have a landing page, for example, I can put a view content on my landing page first, and then on my thank you page, I can put a different event, for example, complete registration or lead. It will help me to know how many people did get to my thank you page from the landing page. Here you can see that this is all the traffic that I got on my website right now, but only 24 people did perform search. So using different events, I am able to see what exactly are my visitors or customers doing on my website. You can choose different events right here in the setup. You have install pixels and set up new event. So you just choosing whatever Facebook is giving you. You have different events here. Whatever will work for you in the specific moment for your website or your landing page. As for custom conversions, you can create them from here. Create custom conversions. It's almost like an event for a pixel, but it has all sorts of rules to it. For example, you don't want to track all the people on your website. You want to track people who get only to specific pages of your website. So you can make a rule right here for Facebook to track people who get to certain pages. Add a URL or keyword right here, and Facebook will track how many people you get to that specific page. You can also add a value to that action. Here you can even give it a name. You can choose an action that that person can do on your website, for example, lead or a purchase, and you can choose how much money will this action cost you. How much money can you make from one lead, for example? If you're charging your customer per lead, one lead, for example, costs $10, so you can just put those $10 here, include your website or your URL, and create a custom event. Difference between event and custom conversion is that conversion has a lot of different rules that you can include in your event, including a value for each action. An event, this is just a name for an action that your customers or your visitors perform on your website, and you can track them accordingly.